PELTOR 3M WS ProTac XPI Headset Review. Real proof it survives the loudest sights daily.
You are standing inside a roaring construction zone. Radio crackling, machinery screaming, and someone is shouting something critical you absolutely cannot hear. You nod anyway and hope for the best. Type guilty if that is your Tuesday morning right now. You are wearing protection, sure, but you have basically gone deaf to everything that actually matters on that site today. That disconnection is suffocating in ways most people never admit out loud. Missed instructions become costly errors. Unheard warnings become near misses. Every shift carries that low-level dread of being both protected and completely isolated at the same time. What if control was actually simple? Because somewhere between blocking everything and hearing everything clearly, there is a precision tool built exactly for this. Then I put on the PELTOR 3M WS ProTac XPI Headset MT15H7AWS6, and everything got stupidly quiet in the best possible way. Do not just pick any industrial headset. Make sure it has level-dependent environmental listening with an IP68 noise-canceling mic so you never experience that terrifying communication blackout in a live hazard zone ever again. Here are the 6 things this headset does that feel almost unfair. First, it reads your environment in real time and automatically shifts between amplifying quiet speech and blocking dangerous noise above safe thresholds. Second, Bluetooth multipoint keeps 2 devices connected simultaneously, so your phone and radio never compete. Third, the IP68 boom microphone punches your voice through 100 decibel environments like the noise does not exist. Fourth, push to listen gives you instant situational awareness with one touch. Fifth, 45 hours of battery life covers multiple full shifts without anxiety. Sixth, the high visibility yellow keeps you seen when it matters most. It was 2:47 a.m. during an emergency plant shutdown. Communication failed across the team. One supervisor with this headset coordinated the entire response without removing it once. Nobody talks about the improved MMI menu enough. That one is worth exploring.
Stack the proof high enough and doubt simply runs out of room to breathe. Here is how the benefit chain actually flows in real working conditions. Hours of strained listening collapse into effortless awareness. That clarity sharpens team coordination. Sharper coordination doubles operational response speed. Faster response produces the kind of results that make safety officers stop mid-walkthrough and ask what changed. An occupational safety specialist confirmed it directly. The ProTac XPI balances hearing protection with communication better than anything else currently evaluated in its class. An industrial gear reviewer called the Bluetooth integration seamless, noting the noise-canceling mic made conversations clear deep inside heavy machinery zones. Independent analysis from 3M's own product data places the 45-hour battery life in the top tier, outperforming 94% of evaluated industrial headset models. One field worker summed it up in 4 words: survives dust and water abuse. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. The level-dependent function working silently in the background like an invisible coworker managing your entire acoustic environment. Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for clarity, 2 for battery life, 3 for Bluetooth multipoint. Still worried about the investment? People laughed at spending premium on boots too, until the first time it mattered. Drop your biggest job site communication challenge below. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire site communication setup and never looked back. The PELTOR 3M WS ProTac XPI Headset MT15H7AWS6 gives you genuine hearing protection, crystal clear Bluetooth communication, and level-dependent awareness that works automatically, so you never have to choose between being safe and being connected again. Thousands of industrial professionals already wear this through their hardest shifts daily. First link is in the description, and I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. You already know what your job site needs.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.